In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on Google Keep in a quick and simple way. Whether you're looking to make your notes more visually striking or simply want to differentiate between various kinds of notes, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Apps. This is typically located in the top right corner of your browser. Click on it to open up a menu with a variety of Google applications. Here, locate Google Keep. It's a handy note-taking app that syncs across your devices, perfect for capturing ideas on the go. Go ahead and click on it to open Google Keep. Once you have Google Keep open, we'll need to make use of another tool, a neat little website called boldtext.io. So keep Google Keep open in one tab, and in a new tab, type in and open boldtext.io. This website is going to help you with altering the text style for your notes. Now that you've got both Google Keep and boldtext.io open, it's time to switch gears back to Google Keep. Here, navigate to the note containing the text you want to customize, open up that note and simply highlight the segment of text you want to change the font of and copy it. Now return to boldtext.io and paste this text in the input box that you see on their homepage. After you've pasted your text into boldtext.io, you'll notice an array of font styles immediately appear below. This tool offers different text fonts such as bold, italicized, and even some decorative fonts. Take your time to browse through these options, and when you spot a font style that you like, be sure to click on Show More Text Fonts to see if there are any additional styles that catch your eye. Now, once you've found the perfect font, you simply need to select and copy your chosen font style. The last step is straightforward but satisfying. Head back to Google Keep and paste this customized font into your note. Voila! Your note now sports a fresh new look thanks to the font you selected, and there you have it, a beautifully styled note on Google Keep using a different font, all within just a few minutes. This method is a great way to inject some personality into your notes and ensure that the key information stands out. Thank you